Hey everyone, it's Morgan. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the basics to modern calligraphy. One thing I want to tell y'all is that you don't have to spend a buttload of money to start calligraphy. You can start with the cheap watercolor set. These aqua pens are good. You can start with the thin Crayolas or the thick Crayolas, Sharpies, and then you could progress on to more expensive things like the Tombow pens. Don't think you're going to be perfect right when you start, because it's just like learning how to write in kindergarten. It's a new method that you need to practice and practice until you can perfect it. Just keep practicing and find the method that you prefer. Find the hand position that you're most comfortable with, but I would recommend holding it at a 45-degree angle. There are some basic vocabulary words that you need to know when you start calligraphy. When you go down with your strokes, they're called downstrokes, and when you go up, they're called upstrokes. Now your downstrokes are going to be really thick, and your upstrokes are going to be really thin, as you can see here. When you progress from your downstroke to your upstroke, all you have to do is lighten up the pressure on your hand. I would recommend getting practice sheets to practice your basic strokes, because those are the building blocks to calligraphy. There are some free ones online, or there are a lot of books at Hobby Lobby and Amazon and places like that. Once you think you have a hang of those basic strokes, just move on to your lowercase and uppercase letters. Now there are a lot of different fonts that you could use for these, just find which ones you like best. In regular cursive, you never really pick up your pen until you dot your I's and cross your T's, but in calligraphy, you can pick up your pen. Here I'm showing you guys where I'm picking up my pen with the little X's. It helps your calligraphy to be more bouncy and look better. If you're not that into brush calligraphy, or if you just want to get into another type of calligraphy, there's always faux calligraphy, which is a lot easier. All you have to do for this is practice your cursive letters and then add a downstroke to the part that you would put pressure, and it makes the exact same effect. Here's just an example for you guys, and I know, self-promo, but if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment any questions you guys have.